It's Rocket CUBER here. Today we're gonna have a unboxing. It is my MEILONG. Okay, I have ordered it from CUBER. Nice package. Yeah, cool. Okay, we have to unbox it. Nice knife. Okay, we have opened the box. Oh, in the box, I think this is the cube. Next, okay, a nice, cool looking CUBER bag. I don't have a black bag, but it is very nice. Next, a 5% discount code, visiting card. Oh my god, solution pamphlet is out of the box. Sorry for it. MEILONG solution pamphlet is out of the box. Okay, and a bill. Okay, now we are going to take cube. Wow, nice packaging. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, MEILONG. Okay, I am so excited. Box is very nice. Okay, we gonna open. Okay, and this is the solution pamphlet. Okay, next, the most anticipated and excited cube, MEILONG. Okay, the surface is kind of matte finish, but it's good. I'm not a great fan of this matte finish, but I like it. It's non-magnetic version of MEILONG, but it's also cool. The shades are also cool. Green and darker yellow and orange and red also a bit darker. White is always white. Okay, first times. Outer layers are pretty cool. Like the feeling of a GTS. Okay, inner layers. Wow, inner layers also very smooth. What? Wow, what is in the internals? Hoi, see this? It's a black internals. Oh, cool. I saw in many videos that they are having white internals, but this MEILONG is having a black internal. Cool. That's great. I love this feeling very much. A great puzzle from MOU. Okay, let me gonna try a tree pam. Okay, awesome. It is just 59 millimeters, so I can perform all my 3x3 algs as well as in the 4x4, like very easy. The JPAM. It is very nice. Okay. Parity algorithm also going very smooth. Okay, that cube is very smooth. Corner cutting. Okay. Corner cutting also well. Okay, it has a nice look. It's a great budget 4x4 I have ever seen. Okay, wait a minute. I will be back. Okay, I am back with my old puzzle, the Euxin black herring Vichu. I have this for only 6 months. You can see lot of breaking. I am going to tell you one joke. Is I have buy spare parts also for this. I have buy spare parts then the rate of MEILONG. Okay, but it's not tanning also. It is a worst cube I ever had in 4x4. I thought that it will be a great puzzle from Yuxin, but it was not. But this cube is feeling very nice. Okay, we have to leave this and throw it to the dustbin. Okay. Wow, really this puzzle is great. So, do you want to have a budget puzzle and a great puzzle? You can go for the MEILONG 4x4 is very great and it affordable in this rate. Okay, so when it have magnetized, it will be a great cube. Magnetic MEILONGs are also available, but it's cost only 300 more, so you can go for it. Nice cube. Okay, I am going to have some salts. After 15 days I will be sure to upload a video. Okay, and another question, I have just used that Yuxin black iron for 1 month, but it breaks a lot, so I am going to try MEILONG and I think it would not disappoint me, so I challenge it will be a great cube. Okay,